Students, today we can study exercise 12.3, question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, in here one square given, each side is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, we can write, all the sides are equal. A quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut from here. One quadrant, we can say this is 1 centimeter, only this much. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter radius. Then, and also circle of diameter 2 centimeter. The diameter of this middle circle is 2 centimeter. That means we can write radius will be 1 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter. Diameter 2 centimeter means radius is 1 centimeter. Then, as shown in figure, find the area of the remaining portion of the square. That means we have to find out area of the shaded region. That is our question. We can write solution. Here, radius given radius of circle, radius of circle and quadrant. Both equal, that's why we can write radius of circle and quadrant 1 centimeter are equal to 1 centimeter. Then sector angle theta equal to, in here one sector is there, that angle is 90 degree. In here also 90 degree, this one also 90 or 90 degree. Sector angle theta equal to 90 degree. Then side of square equal to, side already given, that is 4 centimeter. Radius of circle and quadrant same, are equal to 1 centimeter. The sector angle is this one 90 degree. Then side of square is 4 centimeter. These three things only given. Then we have to find out area of the shaded region. You can write area of remaining portion. Equal to, in question there asked we have to find out area of remaining portion. That's why shaded region, no need to write area of shaded region. Just write area of remaining portion equal to, first we will find out area of the square. Area of square ABCD, area of square ABCD. Then minus the circle, middle circle we have to remove, for that minus area of circle. Minus, again 4 sectors is there in corner, we can write 4 into area of sector. 4 into area of sector. Three things. First find out area of total square, then after subtract area of circle, then minus 4 sectors is there, minus 4 into area of sectors. Area of square, that is side square, side into side, we can write side square, minus area of circle is which formula? That is pi r square, minus 4 into area of sector. Sector formula is theta by 360 pi r square. Equal to side square. One side how much? That already written. Already you are written in here. That is 4 centimeter. We can write 4 square. Minus pi means 22 by 7. R square. R is 1. 1 square minus 4 into theta is 90 degree. divided by 360 into again pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 into r, radius is 1 square. Then you can cancel 0 and 0, 9 and 36. In 36, 9, 4 times 4. Again this 4 and 4 cancel. Equal to 4 square. 4 square is 16 minus 1 square is 1. Then remaining only 22 by 7 divided by 22 by 7 we can write. Minus again in right last part also 1 square is 1. Then remaining only 22 by 7. 22 divided by 7. Take LCM. Here what is LCM? LCM is 7. 7. Then multiple in here no denominator, that's why 16 into 7 minus 22. Only write 22 because denominator already is there. Again minus 22 equal to 16 into 7. 16 into 7. 7 into 6, 42, 4. Then 7 into 1, 7 plus 4, 11. 112 minus 22 minus 22 all divided by 7. Then 112 minus 22, do it. 112 minus 22, 0, 11 minus 2, 9, you get 90. Again one more 22 is there. Subtract that 22 also. Then 10 minus 2, 8, remaining only 8. 8 minus 2, 6. We will get 68 divided by 7 centimeter square. That is our area of remaining portion. In here 68 divided by 7 no need to do because pi value they are given 22 by 7. That's why no need to divide. Now we can see question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in figure. Find the area of this design. We have to find out area of this shader region. In here actually design only, area of that design we have to find out. They already given ABC is an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. We can see solution here. Radius of circle given, radius r equal to 32 centimeter. Only radius only they are given. We have to find out side of equilateral triangle. For that draw one median and give name D. In here this is center, give O. Center is O. Draw AD is a median of triangle ABC. We have drawn one median of triangle AD. That means this AD, it is a median, this D will be correct midpoint of BC. That means BD and DC will be equal. Then one relation is there, radius and the median. You can write in here. Radius means you can see OA. OA equal to 2 by 3 AD. OA equal to 2 by 3 AD. In here OA is radius, then AD is median. This relation studied by heart. OA equal to 2 by 3 AD. This is very important part in this question. OA equal to 2 by 3 AD equal to OA. OA means radius, isn't it? Radius how much given? that is 32. We can write 32 equal to 2 by 3 AD. 32, this 2 by 3 bring to left side, that become 3 by 2. It will come upside to just downside. AD. Then 2 and 32 cancel 1, 6, 16 times. Then 16 into 3, 16 into 3 will get 48. 48 equal to 8. Now we got length of median is 48. Now in triangle ABD, triangle ABD, this is right angle triangle. We can use in here Pythagoras theorem. By PG theorem. Why we are using Pythagoras theorem means we have to find out length of AB. One side we have to find out. Then only we can use that formula. In this triangle ABD, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB hypotenuse square equal to base square. Base means BD. BD square plus height. Height is AD. AD square equal to AB square. How much? AB we don't know. Right? AB square same. AB square equal to BD. BD also we don't know. But BD we can write AB divided by 2. What is the reason means? In here A, B, B, C and AC all equal, isn't it? That means before I told D is midpoint. This B, C and AB equal. That time BD we can write half of BC. BD is half of BC. Then this BC and AB equal. In the place of BC we can write AB. That means BD means AB divided by 2. Keep in mind AB, BC, AC all equal. D is correct midpoint. That means BD, this much length, BD we can write half of BC. Isn't it? Then BC, what is BC? BC and AB equal. In the place of BC we can write AB. Then AB divided by 2. In the place of BD we can write AB divided by 2. Then all square. Plus AD square. AD means we know that is 48. 48 square. AB square equal to, this one we can write AB square divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4 plus 48 square. AB square divided by 4 bring to left side, that will be minus AB square divided by 4 equal to 48 square. Take LCM. In here LCM is 4. LCM is 4. Then AB square into 4. 4 AB square minus AB square equal to 48 square. For AB square minus AB square is, here 1 is there. 4 AB square minus 1 AB square is 3 AB square divided by 4 equal to 48 square. Then AB square equal to 48 square. This 4 bring to right side, that will be into 4 divided by 3 also bring to right side, that will be divided by 3. AB equal to square bring to right side, that will be square root of 48 square into 4 divided by 3 equal to AB, the square root gives separately root 48 square into root 4 divided by root 3. That square gives separately. Now 40 square root of 48 square and square root cancel, then remaining only 48 into square root of 4 is 2 divided by root 3, we cannot find out, just write root 3. AB equal to 48 into 2, 48 into 2 if you are doing means 48 into 2, 16 remainder 1, 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 96 divided by root 3. AB equal to 96 root 3. Area of shaded region means in here, in question they are given design, isn't it? Means area of design. Area of design. Area of circle. First we will find out area of circle, then minus area of ABC. Area of circle is pi r square. Area of triangle ABC. This triangle is equilateral triangle. Which formula we can use? That is root 3 by 4 side square. Then pi 22 by 7 into radius. Radius already given in question, that is 32. 32 square minus root 3 by 4 into side square. What is the length of one side of this equilateral triangle? That is, look in here, this is AB, isn't it? AB equal to 96 divided by root 3. We can write 96 divided by root 3 whole square. The 32 is radius, then side already got it, that is AB equal to 96 divided by root 3. We can write 22 by 7 into 32 square, that is 32 into 32 minus root 3 by 4 into 96 into 96 root 3 into root 3. 96 divided by root 3 whole square, we can write 96 into 96 root 3 into root 3. 32 into 32, 4, 6, 9, 4, 12, 10 into again one more number is 22 into 22. 8, 4, 0, 2. Then again 2, 0, 4, 8. 8, 12, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 8 divided by 7 minus root 3 by 4 into 96 root 3 into root 3 we can write 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then this 96 and 3 cancel. In 9 3 times, then in 6 2 times, you will get 32. Then this 4 and 32 cancel. In 32 4 8 times, 2 2 5 2. 96 into 8 multiple 96 and 8 48, 4, 9 into 8, 72, 76, 768, 768 root 3 centimeter square. This is our area of design. Now we can see question number 7. In here one figure given. In figure ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. The side of the square is 14 centimeter. With the centers A, B, C, D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of shaded region. For question, we have to find out area of this shaded region. Then, what are things given? In here, one side given, isn't it? All the sides are equal in this square, isn't it? That means one side given. Here, side of square equal to 14 centimeter. Total length is, you can write 14 centimeter. Side of square is 14 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of circle are equal to, look, one side is 14 centimeter. From center to up to here, that is radius, isn't it? That means correct middle. And here also radius. That time radius of that circle will be 14 divided by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. This part 7 centimeter, this part also 7 centimeter. Then total you will get 14 centimeter. Then area of shaded region, area of shaded equal to, first find out area of square here minus how many sector is there. If you consider this first sector 1, this second sector 2, then 3, then 4. 4 sectors is there. Then remaining part, this part no need to consider. This circle remaining part, it is not a matter. Only outside only. Then we will consider this 4 sectors minus 4 into area of sectors. Into area of a sector. Area of sector. First find out area of square, then minus area of this 4 sector. We will get shaded region. Keep in mind, don't consider circle, only we will consider this sector only. Then area of square is side square minus 4 into area of sector is theta by 4 into theta by 360 pi r square. Side square, that is 14 square. One side is 14. Then 4 into theta. Theta how much? You know this one. How much? That is 90 degrees. Theta is 90 degree. 90 by 360. 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 7 square. That is one side. Since theta equal to 90 degree. Theta is 90 degree. Then 14 square. 14 into 14, if you do, you will get 196. 196. Then 0 and 0 cancel. 9 and 36. 4 times. Then 4 and 4 cancel. Then remaining 22 by 7 into 7 square is 7 into 7. 7 cancel. Then 196 minus 22 into 7. 22 into 7. 14, remainder 1. 14, 15. 154. 196 minus 154. 196 minus 154, we'll get 2. In here, 4. 42 centimeter square. That's our area of shaded region. Nothing is there. First find out area of the square. Then subtract area of this 4 sector. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get answer.